What agents should be posting on social media. Welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time visiting, thanks for stopping by. Check out this latest interview I had with the founders of Social Assist, which is one of the top social media marketing agencies for top producing agents. You don't want to miss what they have to share. Check it out. Wonderful.
I guess I'll introduce myself. I
Yes.
am one half of Social Assist. I have a real estate background. So I started out as a residential agent, so part of a mega team, and then moved into the commercial realm and kind of commercial marketing for companies like Tesla and Walmart. So that's my background.
Awesome. And there he is, the man with the plan, the cowboy hater. What's going on, Mr. Dante?
Hi, can you hear me?
We can hear you.
How you doing?
Doing great. Well, thank you for joining us. And Bethany just, of course, introduced herself, and we'll let you do the same, sir.
My name is Dante. As Lo said, I hate the Cowboys. And
Man, don't get hung up on. Go ahead.
I'm a TikTok influencer, have about a 500,000 followers on TikTok, and just really plug in the stuff I've learned from that to help out realtors now, along with Bethany.
So, how are things? I know what you've been putting out there for us, for Carla, has been wonderful. So, everything from just the consistency with the posting, but representing her brand, also being able to show just the videos with the market update. It's amazing. And yeah, I mean, the followers, the engagement, leads, they've increased. So
Nice.
we are happy. So, and I want to ask you guys, what's one of the main things that you're seeing that's really doing well?
Um, I'll go first. The stuff that we've been posting in people's reels um, seems to be doing really, really well.
Yeah.
Bethany, did you want to add anything on that?
No, I would say Reels are where it's at right now. I mean, Meta, which owns Facebook and Instagram, that's what they're pushing out because they're competing with platforms like TikTok. So it makes sense that that's the area they would focus in, and that's where we've been focusing and seeing success.
Yeah, we had a realtor in Pearland that signed up with us. When she signed up about a month and a half ago, she had 418 followers. We've been doing our thing. We've been posting. Long story short, 2 weeks ago, she had a post hit 4 million views. She had
Oh,
45,000
nice.
likes. Yeah, she went from 418 followers to like 2,600 in the span of 3 days. We have another
Wow.
one in Memphis who yesterday went from like, what was Tina at, Bethany?
400. Yeah, like a
Yeah,
little
four
under.
or 500, but
Yeah.
she's literally went to 1,000 overnight. We had a post yesterday that started trending for her. So it's funny because
Cool.
last night she got so excited and she did a post thanking everybody for getting her to 800 followers. And by the time the post for thanking people for 800 followers went live, she was up to 930.
Wow. And that's amazing. But I understand. And while you were talking, I was trying to pull up Carla's numbers real quick because I know it's increased. I should have did this before. So also talk a little bit about let's talk about consistency because I push that a lot because I understand it's
Hmm.
necessary to be out here in these social media streets every day.
Right.
And
Yeah.
I know with you posting 5 days, 5 times, once a day,
Hmm.
in 4 or 5 different social media. And I'll let you share a little bit more about your services here shortly. You can break that down for everybody. But can you talk the importance of being consistent?
Not only is consistency important, but consistency with the right things. Because, as I always mention, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, all social media platforms run off of something called a quality score system, where they're basically looking for a certain number of behaviors repeatedly from your account. And once you do it repeatedly, they raise your quality score. When they raise your quality score, they start putting you in front of more people that are outside of your follower base. That's what's happening with Tina, the lady that doubled overnight. That's what happened with Yvonne, the lady that got 4 million views.
Mm-hmm.
It's just you do those things, and after a certain amount of time, it's just how it works. They put you in front of more people. And the whole thing as a realtor is you're on social media to get put in front of more people for more people to see your content. So if you're posting and you're not working that quality score system, then you're not going to get in front of more people. And the downside to it is if you're posting consistently, but you're not doing the right things, they lower your quality score. And when they lower your quality score, they show your content to less people, meaning they don't even show it to all of your followers. And that's what happens. You see a lot of people, they'll have, 500-600 followers, but they only get like 1-2 likes per post because Facebook isn't showing their content to people.
That's really, really good information to know. I do want you to talk a little bit about the services that you guys provide and what you so kindly, the discount that you've given for the group.
Yeah, absolutely. So the main thing that we wanted to do is we wanted to have a service that not only worked the quality score system, but made it look like the realtor was actually posting. So the biggest difference with our service, we post 5 days a week on your Facebook business, your Instagram business, your LinkedIn, and then any announcements, 5-star reviews, market updates, local events, we post on your Google My Business as well. I ask realtors all the time, I'm like, do you have a Google My Business? And a lot of times they say no. And I ask them, do you realize that Google can promote you literally more than anybody? They're bigger than Facebook, Instagram, etc. Also, Google is tied into all the major search engines through hashtags. Facebook, etc. Google's linked in all of them. So if you're not working Google, I don't know.
That's huge, especially the testimonials. I mean, the percentage of people, everybody goes to Google whatever that they're trying to find and who they're trying to look up. And what better place than to have your platform and be on page 1, right? So, and see the reviews that you use. That's another thing. Did you share that you guys will call our clients after the deal closes? All we have to do is provide their name and number, and you will call them and get a testimonial from them.
Yes.
Y'all, listen.
Like we're doing with one of Carla's, right?
Yes.
And wait a minute, when you told me that, I said, thank you, Jesus, because you took another task off of our plate, and I'm not lying. That's real talk.
Yeah, we that's the biggest difference. I mean, with Bethany having the experience in real estate like she has, it's given us a huge advantage because all of the services that we're doing, it's all stuff that the other competitors are missing. 95% of what we post is video because that's what all the quality score systems are looking for. In addition to that, the stuff that we post, it's a wide variety because we never want anybody to get bored with your post. Part of that is we do your announcement videos for you, like Lo was saying. Anytime you have a just listed under contract, something like that, you can submit it to our member services site. We turn it into a video for you. But in addition to that, like Lo was saying, if it's a just sold, you can put your customer's information in there and we will call that customer for you, get them to give you a 5-star review, and then turn around and post that on all your social media platforms. So it's just something else you don't have to worry about.
I was out for a while, but did you also mention that, excuse me, that we also go out and find other reviews off of different platforms?
Oh yeah, I didn't mention that. So another thing that we do, any of your existing 5-star reviews, we comb the internet, HomeSnap, Zillow, Realtor.com, etc. We pull your 5-star reviews and we post them periodically. We repost them on your account. Reason I do this is, and I don't know if you know or notice or not, Lo, but you see that review we posted for Carla the other day.
Yes,
it's pretty good. Reviews are normally like the second highest rated engagement post that realtors can do. And so that's why we'll go and we'll grab them and we'll mix them in because that's a lot of times that's how we balance out your engagement. And yes, it is a lot of posting, Kiana, but you get a lot of value when you sign up.
A ton. Absolutely. So we're happy. And I know that there have been several other members. I know Labrita. She's one of the group members. She went ahead and took action. And
Eric.
Eric.
Southwest Realty Group.
Absolutely.
Eric had 2 posts that increased his followings this month. He had one post hit like 20,000 views, and then he had another one the very next week do over 20,000 views.
Oh, that's awesome. I didn't know that.
Yeah, he's getting some exposure. I actually talked to him last week. He's gained some new followers from it, so it's good.
This is all organic. This is all organic traffic, everyone. If you don't know what that means, it means it's free. So it's not paid advertising. So this is leveraging social media, how they want us to leverage it in order to reap the rewards, right? Of exposure, if you will. So, and we have two social media experts that know how to do that, and we use their services now. Can one of you talk about the pricing and the discount that you all have given to the group?
Normally, our service costs $349 a month for all that we do, which is not uncommon. I mean, a lot of our competitors charge close to $500, and they don't even do everything that we do. But we do have a pretty substantial discount for your group. We are letting you guys, we don't do sign-up fees, we don't do contracts, and we are letting you guys try it out for free for 2 weeks. In that 2 weeks, you get 10 posts because we post 5 days a week on your Facebook business, your Instagram business, and your LinkedIn, and then 1 to 3 times a week on your Google. So you'll be able to see what it looks like. If you like it after 2 weeks, we will give you $50. Actually, no. Wow, you guys get a big discount. We're giving them like $200 off the first one.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we love low and Carla.
I didn't realize that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
it's $200 off the first month, so it's actually $150 for the first month, and then after that, it's just $195 a month. So you're still getting a $150 discount every month. And the price is guaranteed to never go up as long as you have it. So not only is it not a contract, price is not going to go up. We don't believe in raising the price on people that have been with us longer, because that doesn't make any sense.
And I am so grateful that we have gained favor, amen, with you guys, and being able to bless the group. But guys, it is a tremendous value, and I will actually show you. I just went to y'all's. I went to your website. So, guys, if you go to their website and you see and learn all about their services, it says right here, it's $349 a month. So for anyone else that's not associated with our group, then this is what.
Yeah, everyone that, just FYI, everyone that signed up today, that's what they pay. They pay $349.
So they are definitely giving us a tremendous discount. And again, we absolutely love you guys' service. I'm just kind of going through your site so they can see the type of videos that they create. Let's take a look.
Oh, that was the one of the Christmas call to action.
Oh, that's perfect.
Yeah, twice a month we do call to action videos. All realtors do call to actions. Call me, I can help you reach your real estate goals, blah, blah, blah.
Yes.
We just take it a step further and those videos for you.
Right.
Awesome. I like this one.
If you want to scroll down and show them the monthly market update video, we just did one of those for Carla. Matter of fact.
Did. Yes.
And those do well. People really like those.
And Bethany worked really hard on recreating those, and she did a really good job. So
thank you. And we do refresh our content. So every quarter, new content will be coming out, new design. So it doesn't stay still.
Love it.
Oh, this is a different one than the one Carla did, but yeah.
Yeah,
they have different options.
Yes, and I actually chose more of the cowboy. The
you know what? I take that off of there. I should have known.
Go Cowboys. Anyway, I don't want to make Dante mad, y'all. He take this
first round.
Back.
First round. We'll see.
So awesome. Absolutely love it. Go ahead, take action, and try out Social Assist for 2 weeks.
And if you do, I'm sorry, Lo.
Oh, you good.
We will reach out to you as soon as you sign up, just because right now it goes to our normal payments page, and we'll have to send you a special page that we have for the group.
Yeah, that's important.
Because I don't want anybody to go in there and be like, "Whoa, wait a minute! You said, no,
Mm-hmm.
we have a special page that's set up for you guys. We just don't advertise it because we're not going to let anybody else have it for that cheap." So,
Is there anything new to expect, I guess, coming in the new year with services, or maybe things you're changing up?
the newest thing, we roll these out for about half of the people this month. You know how we do monthly events the first week of every month, where we show events going on specifically in your service area.
Mm-hmm.
For half of our customers, we experimented with videos this month.
Oh, okay.
And it seemed to work pretty well. So that may be a direction that we're going in with that.
Nice.
As well. And
Right, we'll be like 95% video at that point. Like there will be barely anything that won't be video.
we hardly do anything that's not video now.
That is fantastic.
Absolutely.
And again, that goes right along in with the importance of those of you that's still on the fence. You're still nervous. You're still unsure of where marketing is. Not where it's going, but where it is. And that is associating a video marketing strategy or strategies within your business. I know, right?
She kind of put herself out here for y'all. So.
Right.
Absolutely. Absolutely. I believe in y'all. What Whitney say? I believe in you and me. Let's show up.
I believe in you and me.
No, sir.
No. I'm with Lo on that one. Stop.
It's all good. All right, guys. I appreciate you so much, everybody. If you joined us live, thank you so much. If you're watching the replay, we appreciate you. Go ahead, take action. Go ahead and take that social media marketing off your plate. Go ahead and outsource it. So in 2023, you can have more time to focus on your family, on your business, or whatever. All right. Thank you guys so much. Appreciate you.
Thank you.
Was this information helpful? If so, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and make a comment below. Until the next time, check out the next video.